package here that I received just today. Actually, this one came really quick. This is one of my first Christmas projects. Ooh, hiccup. So this one here I ordered off of AliExpress from DISPAINT. Ordered it, oh gosh, like less than 2 weeks ago. I'm really surprised. Like things seem to be picking up a little bit. So I'm doing this one as a gift for my aunt for Christmas. It's a 40 by 40. I've never done one this size, and it's a square. So I've never actually ordered a square from DISPAINT before. So I know they're similar to Home Fun. I really like theirs. I'm really hoping that this one's gonna be good quality too. So we're gonna get right into this. So it was a 40 by 40, so 40 by 40. So I wasn't sure it was gonna come in just a bubble mailer or a box. Did come in a box, so that's really nice. Packaging looks to be in really good shape. The box is not dented or anything. So I'll just get into this and see what it looks like here. I'm just gonna do this video quick because my son's gonna be home from school right away. So, oh, yeah, it came in a Home Fun box. So you can tell those two companies are related, right? Anyway, the box is in really good shape. It's got a few little dents in it, but nothing major. I'll open it up here and see what we've got. So, oh, look at that. Everything is in, it's a little different. Oh, the drills are just wrapped around it. That's pretty typical for them. So there's our drills. There's my image. I wanted to do this one for a while, and I've just been so busy with other ones I haven't had a chance to do it. So I think my aunt will like that. Toolkit. It's in there. Is it in there? Yeah, it is. It's just not coming out. Oh, there it is. There we go. Typical Home Fun kit. So it's got the Mossfa boat, and it's got some baggies, the bent tweezers, and just a pen with a 3-placer. So I like these. These are my favorite trays. I don't care for those pens, but I always like getting an extra tray. So anyway, so this came on a nice, just a regular size foam roller. It's got the elastics on it. Is packed exactly the same way my Home Fun's come packed, which is nice. And again, you know me, I get rid of these elastics right away. So hope everybody's doing well. It's been beautiful. It's like plus 20 Celsius here, which is like extremely out of the ordinary for us. But we're supposed to get what they're calling Snowmageddon, with like more snow than we've seen in a long time. So that's supposed to come this weekend. So this is a new size for me. I usually do 30 by 30s or 40 by 50s. I wanted to go a little bigger than a 30 by 30 just so that the printing would be clear, but I didn't want to go too big because, you know, it's a Christmas gift, and didn't want to have it take up a whole wall. So my aunt's little guy, my cousin, he's like 15 years younger than me, and he has profound autism, and they're very much family people. The importance of family to them is big, and making sure that they're there to support each other. And yeah, so she's also been having some family issues here, and she's been a real big support to me. So this kind of was it'll be a little bit of a thank you for her too. So there we go. I'm just gonna open this all the way up here. Canvas looks like it's in really good shape, guys. That's nice to see. So there we go. Oh, is this ever nice? I think that'll be nice and clear. I was worried about the printing. I know a 30 by 30 I think wouldn't have been, but this looks good. I've only ever seen rounds from DISPAINT, so I was anxious to see. Let's take a peek at those symbols. Those look really nice. Lots of letters, very similar to the Home Fun canvases, almost identical. I don't see any difference really. So I wonder if they're made in the same place. Like, you gotta wonder if there's like one factory that ships out for all these companies, but like it's weird because I just ordered two different orders from Home Fun Official Store before this one, and this one came first, so that's good, I guess. So that's nice and clear. The canvas is, there's no ripples in it. Symbols are clear. And take a look at the key here. My phone's at a funny angle today. Nice and clear symbols, just letters and numbers. Focus. That's nice. That's really good. I'm happy with that. I'm just finishing up another one that I'm doing for coworker. I'm going to do an update video on that here today too, hopefully. And then I'm going to start this one next. I've got that Hue-A-Can and I haven't gotten into it. It's Halloween themed, so I'm thinking I might leave it and do it next year. Like, kind of, they're fun to do, like, you know, work on a picture from that season at that time. And so we'll see there if I want to do it. During the pandemic, I'm a nurse, so I've been working a lot. Work's been kind of stressful and busy, but getting through it. And my diamond painting has definitely been welcome when I have the chance. There's the image. So it says a little bit of crazy, a little bit of loud, and a whole lot of love, which is just perfect for me. So we have 24 colors in this one. That's not a lot, but it's, you know, it still looks pretty detailed for the amount of colors that are in there, so I think it'll still be good. Looks like our main color in this one is 310. It's going to be a 310 heavy one. There's 2,598 of those, and then after that we've got 453, which is that kind of that light brown. And I bet you no 939s. That's kind of surprising. So it looks like most of it is this kind of this lighter color in the middle with quite a bit of the black. So I think it'll be good. Anyway, guys, so it's just a quick little update video here on my, drills. Yeah, let's take a peek. So these look just like the Home Fun drills again. Writing on them I like is nice and clear. And the drills look, are you gonna focus for me? Come on. There we go. They look good. I find that they do, like, these drills do tend to have quite a bit of trash in them, but they always send so much that, like, I've never run out. So, let's see if I can find there's the 310s. Nice big, they sent the big packages of those. So, anyway, yeah, so that looks good. I will do an inventory on this, and maybe one of these days I want to kit up and have a chat and do that. So I don't know, I always say I'm going to do it, and then it never quite happens. So my camera keeps going blurry on me. Anyway, guys, so just a quick video. So there we go. There's my next kit from DISPAINT. Looks really good. Their inventory sheet's nice and clear. The canvas is clear. There's no ripples or bubbles in the canvas. Looks like all our drills are here. I'll have to do an inventory and double check. Yeah, looks good, guys. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one and see if it works up the same way the Home Fun one does, because everything's identical. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.